Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi guys, welcome back to the Kasyaf Cells. Jadi hari ini aku dapat pengumuman yang cukup menyenangkan tapi menegangkan juga. Jadi aku mengikuti lomba. I join a competition and a storytelling competition because I am a storyteller, as you know, and I found my name in semi-finalist list. Dan aku lolos tahap pertama, masuk ke tahap semifinal. Setelah semifinal barulah final. Jadi aku tuh dari kemarin mikirnya kalau misalnya aku masuk semifinal, kayaknya aku bakalan bikin vlog. Dan vlog itu bakalan tentang persiapan aku mengikuti lomba. And I don't know, mungkin walaupun aku nggak menang juga, tapi tetap aja kan pasti ada effort-effortnya kan, usaha-usaha aku, latihan-latihan aku, dan aku ingin share ke teman-teman semua bagaimana sih storyteller itu. Dan aku pengen kasih tunjuk ke teman-teman semua, mungkin sebagai storyteller emang belum terlalu dikenal kali ya di apa ya di kalangan orang-orang yang umum gitu. Maksudnya kan yang lomba-lomba yang terkenal bahasa Inggris itu kan essay, speech, debate, dan storytelling tuh menurut aku agak di sebelah matakan, ya dipandang sebelah mata gitu. So I want to show you guys that storyteller and storytelling competition is not easy as you think, dan I hope it will change everybody's perception about storytelling. So yeah. Dan pokoknya ikuti terus saja vlog aku persiapan storytelling, lomba storytelling, because this is not an ordinary competition yang nggak seperti make a video and then you submit it to the committee. No, but you have to perform live at Zoom and in front of other people. Ya mirip-mirip lomba offline, cuman ya lomba offline langsung ketemu sama orang-orangnya, but sekarang tuh daring, jadi liatnya lewat daring, lewat Zoom. Sebenarnya agak challenging, sangat challenging of course, because it's my first time doing a competition like this. But I hope that I will make the best performance of me. Yeah. And I want to show you guys how I prepare myself to join the storytelling contest. Okay. Jadi tugas aku hari ini, malam ini, setelah pengumuman semifinal adalah mencari cerita untuk final, karena ada 2 tema yang aku belum pernah bawakan sekalipun di lomba-lomba sebelumnya, jadi aku harus mencari lagi. One, two, three. Dear judges, ladies and gentlemen, and all of my dear friends, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, I'm Hannah and I make this video to make sure there is no mother in this world who makes same mistakes as me. body was covered by foam and blood. He took the head of the enemy's commander in his mouth. He saw the king fall one and dropped the head at the feet of the king. A soldier ran forward and then sat under the tree, and then sat in front of the king. The king was very shocked. He didn't expect that the one who can kill the commander of our enemy never expected that the one it will be a horse. The king brought the caterpillar back to the palace, kept it well, and resulted silk in Korea until now. Friends, the moral value in this story are: first, don't ever break your promise. Second, be a good example for all. And third, make a decision wisely. Okay, that's all my story. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How is Your Majesty? The most important thing now is our kingdom. Jadi pada saat final, peserta harus menyiapkan 2 cerita dengan tema yang ditentukan. Dan nanti bakalan diajak satu tema yang akan peserta tampilkan. Nah, pada saat technical meeting ternyata guidebooknya itu udah diubah. Yang awalnya tema cerita final itu urban legend dan science fiction menjadi tema dirahasiakan sampai babak semifinal selesai baru diumumkan kayak gitu. Nah, dan karena panitianya bilang bakal berbeda, jadi aku ngerasa kayak cerita yang aku udah siapin itu useless banget dan aku nggak pakai cerita itu lagi. Tapi pada kenyataannya adalah panitia nggak ganti temanya. Pas pengumuman tema itu tetap menggunakan urban legend atau riddle story dan science fiction. Di situ aku kayak ngerasa menyesal banget kenapa aku nggak siapin dua-duanya, karena kan mereka punya kemungkinan terbesar bakal jadi tema final. Dan akhirnya ya aku harus belajar dan latihan satu cerita yang benar-benar belum aku hafalin dalam semalam sebelum besoknya final. Jadi buat teman-teman jangan ragu untuk pilih ceritanya, karena punya kemungkinan besar, jadi seharusnya jangan ragu untuk belajar dan latihan tentang cerita itu. Jangan sampai kayak aku akhirnya kan jadi ya gitulah. He kept saying, Mom, help me. I don't know. He kept getting closer to me until he was exactly in front of me and he disappeared. Instead of being scared that time, I was very sad, and I remember about my Jay. And the next day, Jay's commander called us. He said that Jay committed suicide. I was so sad, disappointed, and angry. I was mad at him for choosing the tragic way to leave us.
First announcement from storytelling competition. Congratulations! Second runner-up. Universitas Negeri Yogyakarta. Kairana Putahara Kasyap.
What you did so far, I hope you can succeed in all competitions ahead of you in the future. And for those participants who haven't made it to the final round, I hope you can keep your spirit up always, and I hope success in your future. Thank you very much. Thank you for all the winners. Congratulations.